Hey there, it's McCare, and I have a small project update for you today. So I would like to say thank you to Rosie Forerunner, who requested an update on the tomatoes. And I decided that I just throw in all the other small projects at once. So if you appreciate this update, I need you to hit subscribe and like and go down in the comments and thank Rosie. Alrighty, here we go. We're gonna go in the order they were started. Single seed challenge. On February 13th, I planted a single golden Marconi seed. I got the seeds from Mary's Heirloom Seeds. And we have cotyledons, which are the little baby leaves that it comes out with first. And it's just barely starting. You can see down there in the split. It's just starting to make its real leaves. So that should be along shortly. And whoops, and I have some vermicompost. We're just gonna give that a little boost. All right. Now this is the one that Rosie requested. This is the silly tomato experiment. So I will link the video that it came from at the end of this one. But what I did is I put 3 Sweet 100 tomatoes in soil, and I put some composting worms in there, and I actually stuffed a couple of mushrooms down in the middle so that besides the tomatoes, the worms would have some food. And I just wanted to see what would happen because I've had tomatoes come up with my vermicompost before, and I figured what happens if we control it. So the 3 tomatoes came up at different times. So obviously these were first, and then these were a day later, and then it's been almost a week. And these just popped up this morning and last night, that last one. And some of those are even still like folded. They're not even out yet. So I will be splitting off these. They have their first true leaf on most of these. And when they get a second one on all of them, I'll be splitting them. And I think I might have a few Sweet 100 plants to donate, sell, trade, whatever. But they might not be pure. They could be mixed with blueberries, black cherry, gobstopper, or Brad's Atomic Grape. So they could be varietal, hybrid, whatevers. So this is exciting, and probably another week or 2 before I'm splitting them. Except for that last one. I'll leave him a little bit longer. All right. And this is the one I haven't shown y'all yet because this is only my second batch and I'm working on my recipe. But I made fire cider. This is a half gallon. I have a quart and a pint jar. And the pint jar I made so that I can start pulling off of it. Because as you can see, this one's not very old and they have to sit for a month before you start using it. And it hurts a little to drink. So there's like horseradish and onions and garlic and ginger and turmeric powder. And what else do we put in here? Jalapenos, cayenne powder, and orange, blood orange, lemon, and lime. And then you fill it up with apple cider vinegar. And need that ready. Just for entertainment, so you can see exactly how it feels. You understand, right? You know what I mean. Ooh. Yeah. Okay. So that's how it feels. Also, it opens up everything This allergy season is horrible. Horrible. So this should really help. This should stop me from getting more sinus infections and ear infections and all that. And generally stay healthier. If I kept up with this all the time, I would do so much better. You can kind of see why I don't. All right. So those are the small projects. Single seed challenge. Silly tomato experiment. Fire cider. I'll give you another update as things change. Alrighty? Later, y'all.